Unit 2 Lecture. Bad news travels fast. Authors seem to write about death and destruction easily, making their reading audience understand what happened quickly, although the why might be puzzling. In this unit, you are reading stories that were written over nearly a century of turmoil and strife, with each world event upping the ante in the stakes of doom. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines apocalypse as a great disaster, a sudden and very bad event that causes much fear, loss, or destruction. The disastrous events in your stories range from astronomical catastrophes to the aftermath of war, and vary from the unseen outcomes of human and government endeavors to the medical and social consequences of pandemics. H.G. Wells observes the potential astronomical disaster, predicts the event, describes the devastation, and then leaves hope for the future. Ray Bradbury, 53 years later, doesn't explain how or why the devastation occurred or how widespread it is. He focuses on the aftermath, concentrating on one household. There's still power to work the robotic helpers and some animal life, but where are the humans? J.G. Ballard blames NASA for the destruction of the Florida coastline, questioning the gifts of spaceflight at a time when even children knew that they drank Tang because it was made for astronauts. Octavia E. Butler reflected on the growing AIDS epidemic by imagining a new contagion that took meaningful communication away from everyday life. And Misha Noga zeroed in on an individual reaction to atomic death, letting the reader imagine how that could be multiplied worldwide. As you read, pay attention to how the author's ideas are expressed. Is there a journalistic or artistic approach? Is the view worldwide or individualistic? Is there any hope left afterwards? Will humanity survive?